A very good morning, class 5. Yesterday we had revised chapter number 4, that is Roman numerals, and today we are going to revise a new chapter, that is chapter 5, operations on larger numbers. Operations means same: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, which we were already doing from our class 1 onwards only, but now we are going to do operations on larger numbers, that means bigger numbers. So let us revise first the introduction. You should express your answer in the system unless you are specially told to use the international system. It is okay. Now problems on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on larger numbers. Now we have already learned to add numbers up to 10 lakh. Adding larger numbers is quite similar. Arrange the numbers in columns. This is the most important thing. If question is given like this in the horizontal form, how you have to arrange it? That arrangement is most important. That you should know how to arrange the numbers in the proper columns, starting from ones. So suppose this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So maybe in some numbers more than 10 lakh is there. Suppose this 8. So this will be crore. So what you have to do? You have to arrange the numbers properly. As you reached class 5, you are not supposed to write these columns, but you should arrange the numbers properly. Okay? After this, we'll add the numbers starting from the one side. This we all know from very beginning, that we always start our operations from the right hand side, that is from the ones column. I hope this is clear to you. Now move to the subtraction part. Same thing. We have to arrange the numbers properly in the column, so that maybe in subtraction sometimes we have to borrow also. Okay, and we have to borrow or not, but we have to write the numbers properly on the columns, and then we start subtracting from the one side, and if it is needed we sometimes borrow also. Okay, let us start the question now. Take this question number C. You can see here that some of the numbers are till 10,000 place, some are till lakh place, and some one number is till 10 lakh. This is the main thing. When question given in the horizontal form, you also have to arrange it properly in the column like this only, and after that simply addition you have to do. Addition, you all know how to add the numbers. I don't think it is compulsory for me to define that. As you are grown up, you can add the numbers very easily. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 3, 15. 5, 1 will carry. 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 4, 12. 2, 1. 7, 13, 8, 21. So 2. 5 plus 2, 7, 7, 14, 19, 23. Again 2. Nothing is here. 2. 7 plus 2, 9, 10, 14, 16. Now 1. But nothing is there here. We'll add in this. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 9, 18. 8. Again we'll carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Now see. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is 48 lakh 63,125. This is the operations on larger numbers or bigger numbers. Means big numbers are given and we have to add. When we were in small classes, we were simply doing the small numbers, subtraction or addition. But now we have to do it with the bigger numbers. In the same way, subtraction is also given. This question is most important. If the question is given like this, then you have to arrange it yourself. See, arrange the following number in columns and add. This is the main thing, how you arrange the numbers and how you do it. Same in this also. Okay, so I will send you some of the questions of this. You have to arrange it and you have to do the needful yourself. Subtract, same thing. In this you have to subtract only. But how? Subtract this from this, means we always subtract a smaller number from bigger number. So this you have to write on top, and 27 lakh will write at down, and then will subtract. Okay, some of the questions I will send you in the form of PDF and you have to do it yourself. Now come to the simplification. This is a little bit typical thing where you have to arrange it properly and you have to do the simplification properly. See question number 12, simplify. I will show you 1-2 questions. In simplify, what we have to do? We will follow the rule of BODMAS. Means I have described it previous also to you. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and at last subtraction. Here division, multiplication of bracket is not, but addition and subtraction is given. So first we have to add the numbers with the plus sign. If there is no sign, means automatically this number carries a plus sign, and if prior to any one symbol is given, means that symbol is there. Okay, now how we can do? Take this one. Only with this first number it carries no sign, means this is plus. Rest all carries minus sign. We always see front that this number carry which sign, this number carries which sign. We don't look at the back, we always look at the front. Okay, only this is plus sign and this all three having minus sign. So how we can do? First we'll add all the numbers. First you write the question, then we'll add all the numbers carrying minus sign. Okay, 10, 75, 560, then 82, 942. So all these numbers carry minus sign. So we'll add first all of this to find out what is the total of the numbers which carry minus sign. Don't get confused, beta. Minus sign is there, but we are adding all the minus sign together. Okay, suppose in a bucket grapes is also there and banana is also there. So first we are assembling all the apples together and grapes together. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to add first all the numbers with minus sign all together. So 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 9, 13, 4 plus 1, 5, 10, 19, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 2, 16, 4 plus 1, 5, 12, 20, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1. This is the total of the minus symbol. Now in the plus symbol only this much is there. Now we had seen that plus symbol is having the more value. So we'll write that value on top. Okay, and we'll minus the minus number. 14, 06, 935 minus 05. Now borrow 11 minus 3, 8. 5 again borrow, 15 minus 9, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Borrow 12 minus 6. Now 1. So this is the answer. In the same way, when two number of plus sign and two number of minus sign given, we'll add first plus sign numbers, then we'll add minus sign number, whichever is greater. Plus 1 is greater, we'll write it on the top, minus number we'll write on the down, and then we subtract. So I will send you some of the questions. I will send it in the dashboard also and in the group also. What you have to do, you have to solve these answers writing by revision work in your copy. Okay, see you, take care, and bye bye.